So you've built your WordPress site locally and it looks great. But then comes the tricky part, and this is where a lot of people get tripped up, and that's actually getting it online. Now, what if you could push your entire local site to a live server in just a few clicks? No having to worry about FTP clients or exporting databases, and no messing around with any configuration files. Because let's face it, in reality, traditional WordPress deployment is tedious. You've got to export your database, upload your files via FTP, maybe update the WP config file, and fix any serialized URLs in the database, and fingers crossed hope that nothing breaks along the way. Now, for most people, this is where projects stall. The site works locally, great, but the thought of actually migrating it feels like too much hassle. Now, Studio Sync changes this completely. It's a feature built into the WordPress Studio app that lets you connect your local site directly to a WordPress.com hosted site. Once connected, you can push your local site to production, or you can pull it down from the live site to your local environment, all in a couple of clicks. So today I'm going to take the Pizza Pilot Pro website that I built in the previous video and deploy it to a live WordPress.com site. We'll go through purchasing a domain, choosing the plan, and syncing everything up. So if that sounds of interest, keep watching. First, we need a domain. So head on over to WordPress.com and sign in or create an account. From your dashboard, go to Domains and then search for what you want. Now I'm going to type in pizzapilotpro.com. Now you'll see a list of available options with different extensions and prices. WordPress.com offers all of the usual extensions like .com, .net and .org, plus plenty of new ones. Pick something memorable that fits your brand and your needs. If you're signing up for the yearly plan, you'll get a free domain for the first year, which is a nice bonus. Now for the hosting plan. WordPress.com offers several tiers, but for Studio to work, you'll need at least a business plan. That's because Sync relies on Jetpack backups, which is included from business upwards. The business plan gives you everything you need: custom plugins, themes, staging sites, SFTP access, and of course, Studio Sync. So I'll go ahead and select the business plan and complete the checkout. Once that's done, WordPress.com will set up your new site automatically. Now for the good bit. Open WordPress Studio on your local machine. And find your local site. In my case, that's Pizza Pilot Pro. If your site isn't running, ensure to click the green icon to start the site running locally. When the site is running, you'll see a notification in the top right. You can also stop and start the site again from here on your local environment. Click on the Sync tab, and obviously you'll need to log into your WordPress.com account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your WordPress.com sites. Select the one you just created. Studio will connect to it, and you're ready to sync. This connection uses Jetpack under the hood to handle the transfer securely. Your local site can now talk to your live site. And if your site gets disconnected, simply reconnect it. And here's where it gets really satisfying. With your site connected, you'll get two options: push to WordPress.com or pull from WordPress.com. Since we want to deploy our local site, we'll select push. Studio gives you control over what gets synced. You can push everything or selectively choose themes, plugins, media, or just the database. For a fresh deployment like this, I'll just push everything. Click the button and Studio handles the rest. It packages up the site, transfers it to WordPress.com and unpacks it on the live server. Now this might take a few minutes depending on the size of your site. And it's worth mentioning that Studio Sync supports sites up to 2 GB, which is actually quite generous. So once the sync is complete, let's check the live site. And for convenience, we can just simply click the link in Studio, and that will open up a new browser. And there it is, exactly as it looks locally. The header, the hero section, the features, pricing, call to action, and the footer. Everything transferred across perfectly. No broken images, no missing styles, and no database errors. It just works. And to log into your site, simply go to WP Admin and log in with your WordPress.com account. Now here's something useful. Let's say you make changes on your live site, maybe through the WordPress admin or by collaboration with somebody else. You can pull those changes back to your local Studio site. Same process, just click pull instead of push. This makes it easy to keep your local development environment in sync with production. Work locally, push when ready, pull when needed. The workflow is genuinely seamless. So there you go. We've gone from a local WordPress site to a fully hosted, publicly accessible website with a custom domain in just a few minutes. Now the combination of WordPress Studio for local development and Studio Sync for deployment removes so much of the friction from the whole process of migration. There is no manual migration. There's no technical headaches. So if you're building WordPress websites, whether it's for yourself or for your clients, this workflow is worth adopting. Build locally where it's fast and free, then push to production when you're ready. Your site is now live, time to share with the world. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you found this video useful, insightful in any way, please do give it a like as it helps others to find this content. And as I always say, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Now, if you want to see something really interesting, you want to check out this video right here. And this is the part of the video where I pull all of my faces for my thumbnails. Like, ooh. But yeah, check out that video. It's really interesting.